Hey team, for your CARS self-assessment video submission, we wanted to walk you through a few pointers for how to make this go easily and smoothly for you, and also to help us get the information that we need. The whole idea behind you submitting these videos is that we want to get some insight into how your joints are moving and feeling, and also as a way to gauge and mark your progress over time as you're going through your stuff. So, a couple things. When you're filming yourself, switch your camera so that you can see yourself in the screen. That way you'll know if you're in frame and if the parts of your body that you're trying to show us are in the video, which is super key. And then you can set your camera or your phone on a shelf, lean it up against a water bottle, and then just back away until enough of you is in the picture. And that should do it. Because we're using these to gauge progress, if it is at all possible, we would love to have you do these in front of the same backdrop each time, but that's like icing on the cake. Cool? All right. These CARs should be low intensity, pain-free range of motion only, and not too crazily slow, just kind of your normal morning routine pace. Don't feel like you need to warm up before you do them to show us your biggest, bestest CAR. This is really meant to be a check-in about how things actually are doing. We'd like you to film your glenohumeral CAR from standing and show us a few reps facing the camera. Will's just going to do them quickly here to give the idea. And then a few reps profile to the camera. 2 to 3 maximum, plenty. Then we'd like you to show us your hip CAR, which you can also do from standing if you're able to. You're going to again show us a couple reps from the front and a couple reps profile. If standing hip CARs are not a great jam for you, you can absolutely show us your side lying hip CAR. Just make sure your body is in the frame and that you've adjusted your camera angle accordingly. Last, we'd love to see how your spine is functioning. So we want you to come on down to your quadruped position, setting yourself up sideways to the camera so that we can view you from the side and see how your flexion and extension segmentation are coming along. If there are other joints that you're specifically working on that you'd like to share with us, you're welcome to film those CARs as well, but the main 3 are the ones we're after: shoulder, hip, and spine. Thank you so much, and we look forward to seeing your progress.